Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about divisibility rules. Here divisibility rules are used to find whether the number is divisible or not. Here first of all we will go to divisibility rule of 11. The difference of two numbers obtained on adding the alternate digits of number separately. Here, what is the divisibility rule of 11 means? The difference of two numbers obtained on adding the alternate digits of numbers separately. For example, if we are having a question like this 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 3, 2, 6, 7 is there. What we will do? If this number is divisible by 11 means we will add the odd places of the numbers. Here what are the odd places? Alternate numbers we will add here. These are the odd places of a number. Let me add here 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 7. Here difference they are saying means minus, and the even places. Even places what we are having here? 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 6. Here after doing this difference, if the number is divisible by 11 then it is divisible by 11. If it is not divisible by 11 then it is not divisible by 11. We can say here. Look at here 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. Minus 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 6 12. What we got here? 17 minus 12 is 5. This 5 is not divisible by 11. Therefore, the total number is not divisible by 11. You can say. If you are having a number like this 1331. Now, this number is divisible by 11 or not, you should check. How to check it? You add the odd places. What is the odd places here? 1 plus 3. Minus, difference means minus even places. What is the even places here? 3 plus 1. What you got here? 1 plus 3 is 4. Minus 3 plus 1 is 4. What is the answer? 4 minus 4 is 0. Means this 0 is divisible by 11. If you are having 0 also, that number is divisible by 11. Then you can say 0 is a number which is divisible by 11. So the total number 1331 is divisible by 11. Let us go for divisibility rule of 12. If the number is divisible by both 3 and 4, then the number is divisible by 12. We can say here. Here 12 is not having a special divisibility rule. It is like 6 only. The 6 will have the number which is divisible by both 2 and 3 is divisible by 6. Here the divisibility rule of 12 is the number which is divisible by 3 and 4 is divisible by 12. For example, if you are having a question 1440 is there. Whether this number is divisible by 12 or not, you should check. How to do it? You are not having any special rule to find out whether the number is divisible by 12 or not. For that what we will do? We will take the divisibility rule of 3 first. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of all numbers you should do. 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 0 is equal to 1 plus 4. 5. 5 plus 4. 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. This 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the total number is divisible by 3. Therefore, 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, what I can say here, 1440 is divisible by 3. I can write here. Come to divisibility rule of 4. What is the divisibility rule of 4? You have to check for this number only. Here, last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Then the total number is divisible by 4. You can say here. Here, what are the last 2 digits here? 40, 40. 40 will get in 4 table. 4 tens are 40. You can say. Therefore, what I can say here? 1440 is divisible by 4. Why this 1440 is divisible by 4? Last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Therefore, the total number is divisible by 4. If the number is divisible by both, then we can say that the total number 1440 is divisible by 12. We can say here. If the number is divisible by both 3 and 4, then only it is divisible by 12. If the 3 is divisible, 4 is not divisible, then the number is not divisible by 12. If 3 is not divisible, 4 is divisible, then also the total number is not divisible by 12. It should divisible in 3 and it should divisible in 4. Then only the total number is divisible by 12. You can say here. Let us go for the divisibility rule of 13. Here the divisibility rule of 13 is similar to divisibility rule of 7. What is the divisibility rule of 13 means? The difference between the last 3 digits of a number and the rest of the number is divisible by 13, then the number is divisible by 13. Here this 13 divisibility rule is similar as 7 divisibility rule. Here the difference between the last 3 digits and the rest of the number is divisible by 13. Then the number is divisible by 13. For example, if you are having a question like this. Here 135, 122 is there. Whether this number is divisible by 13 or not, you should check it. For that, what we will do? We will take the last 3 digits and the other digits. We will call it as rest and subtract this both. Here 122 is last 3 digits and the rest one is 135. Which is the bigger one here? 135 is bigger one. So subtract 135 minus last 3 digits. So what we will get here? 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we got this 13. This 13 is divisible by 13. So you can say that this 135, 122 is divisible by 13. Here in this way the last 3 digits and the rest should be subtracted, and after that whatever the answer we will get, that should be divisible by 13. Then the total number is divisible by 13. You can say. If you are having a question like this, 4017, this number is divisible by 13 or not, you should check it. For that, what we will do? We will take the last 3 digits and the rest. Rest is one number only there. Here 4 we are having, 017 is 17. Which is the bigger one here? 017 is bigger one. So subtract the bigger one and smaller one. What you will get here? 17 minus smaller one, 4. What is the answer we got here? 13. So this 13 is divisible by 13. So we can say that 4017 is divisible by 13. In this way, we will find out whether the number is divisible by 13 or not. Let us go for divisibility rule of 14. The number which is divisible by both 2 and 7 is divisible by 14. Here the divisibility rule of 14 is the number which is divisible by both 2 and 7. If the number is divisible by 2 and 7 both, then the number is divisible by 14. For example, if you are having a question like this, 1008 is there. Whether this number is divisible by 14 or not, you should check it. How to check? What is the divisibility rule of 2? If the units place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is divisible by 2. And the units place is 8, so the number is divisible by 2. Here, what is the divisibility rule of 7? Here, the last 3 digits and the rest is subtracted, and the number whatever we'll get, that is divisible by 7, then the total number is divisible by 7. Here what is the last 3 digits? 008 means 8. 1. Which is the bigger one? 8 is the bigger one. So subtract 8 minus the rest. What is the rest here? 1 is 7. This 7 is divisible by 7. Therefore you can say this 1008 is divisible by 7. So which number is divisible by both 2 and 7? Then the number is divisible by 14. So you can say that this 1008 is divisible by 14. You can say here. If you are having one more example like this, 2, 7, 4, 4, and you have to find out whether this number is divisible by 14 or not. How to do it? You have to check the divisibility rule of 2 and 7. If it is divisible by both 2 and 7, then only it is divisible by 14. What is the divisibility rule of 2? You have to check the units place. Is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then the total number is divisible by 2. Here you are having 4. So it is divisible by 2, we can say. And what is the divisibility rule of 7? Here last 3 digits and the rest is subtracted. After that whatever the answer we will get, that is divisible by 7. Then only the total number is divisible by 14, we can say it. Here we are having 744, 744, and here we are having 2. 744 is bigger one. So take 744 minus 2. What we will get here? 742 we will get here. Here this 742 is divisible by 7 or not, you should check it. 742 is divisible by 7. Why? Because 7 ones are 7 you will get, and here is 0, and you take this one 4 here, and here 7 zeros are 0 we will get here. Here after doing minus again we will get 4 here, and you borrow this one, here you will get 2, and 7 6 are 42 we will get, and answer is 0. So this 742 is divisible by 7, and this 742 is divisible by 7. So if the number is divisible by both 2 and 7, then the number is divisible by 14. So you can say that this 2744 is divisible by 14. Let us go for divisibility rule of 15. If the number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then the number is divisible by 15. Here, if the number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then the total number is divisible by 15. For example, if you are having a question 15535 is there. If this number is divisible by 15 or not, you should check. For that, there is no direct divisibility rule. What you have to do? You have to check this total number is divisible with 3 or not, and also this total number is divisible with 5 or not. You should check. If the number is divisible by both these numbers, then only it is divisible by 15. You can say here. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of all digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Means here 1 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 we are having here. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 5, 19. Here we got 19. 19 is not divisible by 3. If this 19 only not divisible by 3, if the first number only not divisible by 3, no need to go to the second number. If it is divisible by first and second only, it is divisible by 15. So we can say here that this total number is not divisible by 15. We can say. If you are having a question like this, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 5 is there. If you are having a question 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 5 is there. Is this number is divisible by 15 or not? You should check it. For that, it should divisible by 3, it should divisible by 5. You check it. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of all numbers. You add it. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 plus 5, 27. This 27 is divisible by 3. If the number is divisible by 3, then go for the divisibility rule of 5. What is the divisibility rule of 5? If the unit digit is 0 or 5, then the total number is divisible by 5. What is the unit digit here? Unit digit is 5. So this total number is divisible by 5. If the number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then only the total number is divisible by 15. Therefore, this total number is divisible by 3. This total number is divisible by 5. What I can say here? 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 5 is divisible by 15. I can say here. In this way, we will find out the divisibility rules of different numbers.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.